Hey friends, it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you the brand new Hello Bluebird Fall / Halloween release. This is a mini release of 4 brand new stamp sets with coordinating dies and 3 standalone die sets, and it's all super cute. And I've got 2 card samples for you showing 3 different sets. So I'm going to set everything off to the side and we'll go through everything one by one. The new release is tonight, September 29th at 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, which is 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I did accidentally say October in my first video, but it is actually tonight, September 29th. So the first set that I'm going to share with you is this adorable one called Sabrina with the 2 cute witches. We've got a couple of baddie friends and a little kitty and some pumpkins and some sentiments. And I will be covering up part of each of the stamp sets. I'm sorry, but I'm just doing my best to battle the counterfeiters and try to keep them from stealing designs, which is such an unfortunate thing that we even have to deal with in this industry, but it is very real. So there are coordinating dies, of course, to this stamp set, and I do have a card sample. This video went live this morning, so if you missed it, you can definitely check that out. And I think she is so adorable. I really love her, and I love the other little witchy girl as well. I can't wait to use her on a card. But I just colored her up with my Copics as usual, and I included an image and some sentiments from the next set that I'm going to show you in just a minute. And then I also use some of her older dies, I think it's called New Moon and the Winter Woods Overlay, which is technically a winter die, but I think it works great for Halloween and fall. It definitely can be used for more than just the winter season. So there is that one, and then that leads me into our next stamp set, and that one is called the Spooky Text. It's very sentiment heavy. We've got a lot of great sentiments that work for both the outside and the inside of your card, plus a couple of adorable critters and some jack-o'-lanterns, and that is one of the jack-o'-lanterns that I used from this set, along with the 2 sentiments there. I used 2 different sentiments from this on the inside, and then 1 on, 2 on the outside, and then 1 on the inside. So really fun. I love both of these, and I think they work really great together as well. Next up, we've got a taller set, and this one is super cute. This one is more fall themed, but we do have a little jack-o'-lantern face if you want to put that on your pumpkin. It features 4 super cute critters that can sit inside the large pumpkin, plus some smaller pumpkins, a little pumpkin cap, an acorn, some leaves, and some great sentiments as well. And I do have a card sample for that one, which is also up on my channel already. This one went up Thursday, and then the little witchy one went up this morning, Friday. So super adorable. And this one features only this stamp set, and then our Nesting Decal A2 die, which I love. It's one of my favorites. Super cute. I can't wait to play with some of the other critters in this set. And also there is a new die that I'll show you in just a little bit that also goes great with this set. Next up is the only stamp set that I haven't gotten to use yet, and this one is called Candy Crew. It features these adorable critters in their Halloween finery, all dressed up. This is another one of the tall ones. It of course has matching dies. I have not had a chance to play with this one yet, but the samples that I've seen coming in from the design team are so super cute. So if you miss them, please go check out the Hello Bluebird blog, because all of the samples are there from yesterday and today, our 2 preview days. And there is so much cuteness, you guys. The girls have just really outdone themselves. I am so lucky to be on a team with such incredibly talented card artists. So there is that one. And then, like I said, we have 3 new standalone die sets. 2 of them I have on one sheet together, so I'll show you them at once. This one is called Autumn Acorn, and this is the one that I was talking about that works great with the peekaboo set. So instead of putting your critter in the pumpkin, you could put him in the acorn instead. Some of the other girls have done that and it looks super adorable. And then there's also a little cap and a leaf. So those 3 dies are the autumn acorn. And then down below we have Build-A-Boo. So you have the word boo, and you can swap out one or both of the O's with either a skull or a jack-o'-lantern or a ghost. And then we also have an exclamation point. I haven't had a chance to play with this one yet either, but again, the samples using it have been so super cute. So I highly recommend visiting the blog to check those out. And then our last brand new die set is called Ghostly Gift Card. And it's another super cute one. It's really good size. It's, I believe, 5.5 tall. So it basically is the same exact size as a standard A2 size card in the portrait position. So some of the girls have actually just made like a shaped card out of it, which is really fun. And other girls have used it as it was intended to add like a gift card inside the little arms, because the little arms cut out separately. And so you can like tuck things inside. One girl did a little square of chocolate, which I thought was really genius. And you can also take like one of the little pumpkins or something from the Build-A-Boo and slip that in there. You can use the bats. There's all kinds of great possibilities. So we do get the large ghost plus 2 bats and then the words boo and eek, which of course can be used for your other Halloween cards as well. So that is everything in this brand new release. It's so super darling. I am just in love with Hello Bluebird's illustrations always. I can't get enough of them. And I hope that you guys are excited about it too, because I will definitely be featuring more of these products on my channel in the upcoming days leading into October. So yeah. Also, I did want to let you know that aside from the new release, which again is tonight, September 29th at 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, which is 9 p.m. Eastern, at that time, there will also be a big restock of a lot of our stamp sets that have been out. Some of the die sets that we've been waiting on are still coming in a couple of weeks, but there is going to be a big restock on the stamp sets. And I believe coordinating dies, but I'm not 100% positive. It hasn't gone live yet, so I haven't been able to check it out. At that time, there will also be a huge discontinued and overstock sale, and the prices are like up to 20 to 60% off. For some of those items that are going to be discontinued, it'll be the last chance to grab them. So if there's something that you've had your eye on and it's in that category, I highly recommend picking it up before it's gone, because once it is, it is. But anyway, so much cuteness in this release. I hope that you guys love it as much as I do, because I'm definitely going to be playing with this some more going into October. And I'm really excited. I'm so excited to have some kiddos in this release again. It's been a while since I practiced my skin and hair, and I really love how this one came out, but I really want to keep practicing and do some darker skin tones as well, and just play around with that, and also just play around with the other cute critters in this set, and then the other set that I didn't get a chance to play with yet. So thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what is your favorite item from this brand new release, and hopefully I can do something with that really soon. Alright, thank you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing day. I'll see you soon in another video. Bye-bye.